Open the WordPress dashboard. Go to Page. Click the All page. Click Add New Page. Add the data. Click Link Open in New tab. Search Google Form. Click the first link. Click Go to Form. Click Template Gallery. Click the first. Add the data. Write your message. Click Response. Click Link to Sheets. Click the Create. Click Send. Click Text. Add the data. Write name. Add email. Write phone number. Write your message. Click Submit. Click the link in the bio to sign up WPLearning101.com and start learning WordPress today.